Hello everyone, today I am going to show top 5 best mini PC to buy in 2023, based on specification. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5, Asus PN60 BB3006MC Mini PC Barebones with Intel Core. Asus PN60 BB3006MC Barebones Mini PC features an Intel Core i3-8130U processor with support for up to 32GB DDR4 memory with 2x SODIMM, 1x M.2 SSD, 1x 2.5 inches SSD/HDD, gigabit LAN, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, stunning 4K UHD resolution, full connectivity with Intel 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4, and USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A, and USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type C ports, 24/7 performance, verified by rigorous testing protocols, and stable power supply, reduces costs and overall system maintenance, ultra compact, size with 0.62 liter, volume for a clutter-free workspace. Number 4, Asus Mini PC, PN Series BB3006MC Mini PC Barebones. The Asus Mini PC PN Series BB3006MC Mini PC Barebones is a small form factor desktop computer that is designed for users who need a compact and versatile computing solution. This Barebones PC does not come with a processor, memory, or storage, allowing users to customize it to their specific needs. The Mini PC PN series features a sleek and minimalist design that is easy to integrate into any workspace. It has a compact size that makes it ideal for those who have limited desk space, and it can be mounted on the back of a monitor or TV using the included Visa mount. This Mini PC Barebones is equipped with Intel 10th generation Core processors and supports up to 64GB of DDR4 memory. It has dual storage options, with support for an M.2 SSD and a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. The Mini PC PN series also features a wide range of connectivity options, including multiple USB ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and Gigabit Ethernet. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to connect to wireless networks and peripherals. This Mini PC Barebones is designed to be energy efficient, with a low power consumption of just 15 W. It also comes with Asus proprietary software, including Asus Business Manager and Asus Control Center, which allow users to easily manage and monitor their system. Overall, the Asus Mini PC PN Series BB3006MC Mini PC Barebones is a versatile and customizable computing solution that is suitable for a wide range of applications, including office work, home entertainment, and light gaming. Its compact size, powerful performance, and flexible connectivity options make it a great choice for users who need a small form factor desktop computer. Number 3, HP Pavilion Wave Compact Desktop Computer. Why buy a compact desktop with full desktop power and fully integrated audio? Processor, 6th generation, Intel R Core TM i5-6400T processor, quad-core, 2.20 GHz, get powerful multitasking, performance and 4K video capabilities. Memory, 8GB DDR4-2133 SDRAM, designed to run more efficiently and more reliably at faster speeds. Hard drive and solid-state drive, 1TB 7200 RPM SATA and 256 GB PCIe NVMe M.2, store all your digital content and still have room left over. More productive. Windows 10 is the best for bringing ideas forward and getting things done. Ports: headphone/microphone combo, 1 USB 3.0, front, 2 USB 3.0, rear, 1 USB 3.1 Type-C, TM, rear, HDMI out, rear, DisplayPort, rear, 10/100/1000 base T network, and an HP 3-in-1 media card reader help you stay connected. Keyboard and mouse: comes with the HP Premium Lifestyle wireless keyboard with volume, control, and optical mouse. Number 2, Asus PB60 Mini PC. With Intel Core i5-8400T, Asus PB60 B5042ZC features an Intel Core i5-8400T processor with 8GB DDR4 memory, 256GB SSD, gigabit LAN, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Integrated 4K UHD graphics supports up to dual monitor via HDMI and DisplayPort, full connectivity with Intel 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A, and USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C ports, stackable, modular design, tiny footprint, 6.89-inch W x 6.89 LX 1.35H, with rear mounting, VESA support for monitors, digital signage and HD televisions. The Asus PB60 Mini PC is a compact and versatile desktop computer that is designed for users who need a small form factor PC for their work or home office. It is powered by an 8th generation Intel Core i5-8400T processor, which provides fast and responsive performance for everyday computing tasks. The Mini PC comes with 8GB of DDR4 memory and a 256GB solid-state drive, providing ample storage space for files and applications. It also has dual storage options. Number 1, Asus Mini PC PB Series. The Asus Mini PC PB Series is a line of compact and versatile desktop computers that are designed for users who need a small form factor PC for their work or home office. These mini PCs come in different configurations and can be customized to suit the user's specific needs. The Mini PC PB Series is powered by 10th generation Intel Core processors, which provide fast and responsive performance for everyday computing tasks. They also support up to 64GB of DDR4 memory and have dual storage options with support for an M.2 SSD and a 2.5-inch hard.